Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 7th to the 11th of April 2025 on Monday. Nomaswazi will do whatever it takes to get her son back, even if it's mean taking a life. Prince comes clean to Sipho as why Madlala left. Mzamo is surprised with an unexpected gift on Tuesday. A familiar face makes an unexpected return to Kwamashu. Mzamo solicits the help of Subu to get inspiration for his book. And Sipho tell Prince he broke up their family for a cheap role in a hay with an unworthy woman on Wednesday. Nomaswazi find out that Babo is alive but far from home. Prince doesn't appreciate Subu's advice while Mzamo continues to make great progress on his book on Thursday. A family is devastated to lose everything. Madlala finally comes out of hiding and makes a difficult decision. Mzamo seeks help from an unlikely Alice on Friday. When Sholipi takes Kepe to the royal house, he makes himself feels at home. Hlizipi notices how detached Mamlambo is and Prince vows revenge on Nomarasha. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome.